Welcome to Mougins, where today we're visiting this contemporary Bastide that you can see behind me. Built in 2020, the villa offers total peace, privacy and security in the very heart of a prestigious domain. So come with me, we'll start to take a look at the villa, which has 5 ensuite luxurious bedrooms. We have spacious living, almost 500 square meters in total. Views out onto this garden that you can see around me, and lovely south-facing exposure, so the villa is flooded with light year-round. With plenty of space for entertaining outdoors, the table on my right, for example, swimming pool with lovely lounges, the indoor-outdoor flow is really exceptional with this property. Now, while this is not in fact the main entrance door, which we will show you later from the garages, it is, if you're living here, the way that you would be walking in and out of the house on a daily basis between the pool, the outdoor eating area, and the living spaces inside. We have these beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows on all sides of the house for plenty of light year-round. The spacious living. There is a cinema below. This dining room space here where you can seat easily 10 to 12 guests for dinner parties in the winter time. And then semi-professional kitchen. Now this kitchen is beautiful. We have marble countertops, double fridge, as well as double wine cave, Gaggenau appliances, including a warming drawer. And then for those who love to cook, we have it all. We have the teppanyaki, as well as gas, as well as induction stoves. On this main garden level, we also have the main bedroom, which has its own very spacious office, as well as dressing room and bathroom. There are 4 further bedrooms upstairs that we will then take a look at. The views from here out onto the flat garden, the pool, the lovely mature trees are really beautiful. It's a very peaceful and very light space. This master suite on the garden level has double doors that open into the living room, so of course you can close them off for total privacy as well. We have this very spacious office opening out onto the garden. We have integrated cabinetry as well as closet space, a dressing room and bathroom that we will visit later, and then the main bedroom. With east and south exposure, this bedroom has beautiful, beautiful light, windows on both sides and views of the garden. So all of the dressing rooms and cupboards in the house have the panels of oak that match the solid oak floors. They are all integrated, have internal lighting as well. The main bathroom is a full bathroom, beautiful marble finishes. We have bathtub, double shower and double vanity. It's very spacious, as well as, of course, a separate toilet. So we visited the main bedroom, and now we'll go up to the other 4 bedrooms in the house. We're going to pass through the entrance hall, which in fact would be the main formal entrance if you were inviting guests. There's parking for about 12 cars at the back, as well as a double garage. And then through this entrance here, you walk straight into the living room, out to the garden, to the kitchen, etc. We have a guest toilet over here, beautiful high ceilings, and these lovely wrought iron finishes, which adorn this staircase and lead us up to the other bedrooms. As we get to the top of the stairs, we have 4 bedrooms. The house is very symmetrical, so they're mirror bedrooms. I'll be showing you 2 of them, and we have the mirror on the other side. In between the bedrooms, we have this lovely relaxing lounge space with TV, plenty of light again, and views up of the mountains behind us, which in the winter even has snow. So we'll start with the first bedroom, which is on the southwest side. Very spacious with lots of windows overlooking the garden. There are 3 double windows on the south side, as well as a double French door on the west side, giving onto a terrace that is shared with the other bedroom that we will visit. In all the bedrooms, we have these lovely built-in cupboards like we saw downstairs, integrated air conditioning and heating, as well as underfloor heating. And all bedrooms have hidden bathrooms with marble finishes, showers, and toilets. As mentioned previously, we have the mirror of that bedroom on the east side of the house, and now we'll visit the second bedroom. This bedroom has views up of the snowy mountains in the winter and the sunny mountains in the spring, access to the same terrace, and then a similar layout with built-in cupboards and the lovely marble bathroom. The mirror image of this bedroom is on the northeast side, and now we'll go down to the sous-sol of the house. So below the house, we have this exceptional laundry room with double washer, double dryer, additional fridge, and plenty of storage space. On this level, the sous-sol, we also have a very spacious, big cinema room, and we'll take a look now at the gym as well. For those who like a fit and healthy lifestyle, this villa has its own fully equipped gym, as well as an ensuite bathroom and a sauna. I hope you enjoyed taking a tour of this lovely property in Mougins with me today. It's a contemporary Bastide with 5 luxurious ensuite bedrooms, almost 500 square meters of living space, and 2,200, a little bit more, square meters of land. It's an exceptional home, total privacy, total tranquility and security, all within 30 minutes of the Croisette and the beaches of Cannes. If If you would like any more information, please do not hesitate to contact me. My name is Alice from Fine & Country on the French Riviera. À très bientôt!